How to start a faceless YouTube channel, over 50 using AI to do the hard part. If you're over 50 and thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel, you've probably experienced this moment. You sit down, you open your laptop, you stare at a blank screen, and instead of clarity, you feel resistance. Sighs. Not because you don't have ideas, but because you have too many. You've lived a life most YouTubers haven't even begun yet. You've built careers, solved real problems, made real decisions under pressure, and yet, here you are, trying to figure out how to start a YouTube channel like a beginner. That disconnect, that's the real frustration. Because deep down, you know this should be easier than it feels. Here's the uncomfortable truth. YouTube today doesn't reward effort. It doesn't reward hustle the way it used to. And it definitely doesn't reward experience on its own. Sarcastic, it rewards structure. And without structure, every video feels like starting over. That's why so many people over 50 try YouTube and quietly stop. Not because they can't do it, but because it feels unnecessarily hard. Now here's the shift that changes everything. What if the problem isn't your age? What if the problem isn't confidence or even technology? What if the real issue is this? You're trying to build a modern content machine using outdated manual methods. And this is where YouTube automation with AI changes the game. Not in a gimmicky way, not in a press a button and get rich fantasy, but in a practical, structured, repeatable way. Hi, my name's Bob, and this channel is built for one specific purpose: to help people over 50 build faceless YouTube channels using AI tools to create real income without overwhelm. Because, let's be honest, most people at this stage of life are not looking for a hobby. They're looking for a real retirement income strategy, a way to make money online over 50, something sustainable, not exhausting. And that's exactly where YouTube automation fits. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. With AI, we can help you to cut the hours you use in your video creation time by a factor of 4 and turn simple content into consistent income. See links near the top of our video, comments below, to learn how. So, what is a faceless YouTube channel? Simple. It's a channel where you don't appear on camera, no filming yourself, no worrying about lighting, appearance, or confidence on screen. Instead, you use AI-generated scripts, AI voiceovers, stock footage or simple visuals, automated editing tools. In other words, you build a system. And that's why this model is exploding right now, because it removes the biggest barriers. Fear of being on camera, technical overwhelm, time-consuming production, which makes it one of the most accessible YouTube automation for beginners models available today. But here's where most people go wrong. They jump straight into tools, without understanding the real obstacle. The real problem isn't YouTube, it's friction. Friction is quiet. It's the hesitation before you start. The second guessing, the maybe tomorrow voice. And for people over 50, friction feels heavier. Because you didn't grow up inside this system, you built your success in a completely different environment. An environment where experience mattered, depth mattered, results spoke for themselves. But on YouTube, clarity comes first, structure comes first, retention comes first. And without those, even great ideas get ignored. This is where AI becomes powerful, not as a replacement for you, but as a translator. You bring the experience. AI turns it into structured, consumable content. Let's make this practical. Say you want to create a video about lessons from 30 years in business. Without structure, that becomes a long, wandering conversation. With AI, you turn that into 5 clear lessons, each with a simple example, each tied to a specific outcome. Now suddenly, you're not rambling, you're teaching, and that shift is everything, because clarity builds trust, and trust is what drives watch time, subscribers, and ultimately, YouTube monetization. Now, let's talk about something even more important: niches. Because choosing the right topic is what determines whether you succeed or struggle, and this is where most beginners get stuck. Here's the truth. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to choose from proven faceless YouTube niches that already work. Examples include finance and money education, health and wellness, motivation and mindset, AI tools and tutorials, side hustles and online income. These are powerful because they attract audiences actively searching for solutions. And if you're serious about results, you want to focus on YouTube automation niches that have high search demand, strong monetization potential, evergreen content opportunities, because that's how you build something that lasts. Now, let's break this down into something actionable. If you want to start this week, here are your first 3 steps. Step 1. Choose a niche that matches experience plus demand. Not just what you like, but what people are actively searching for. This is where how to grow on YouTube actually begins. Not with editing, not with thumbnails, with positioning. Step 2. Use AI to create your first 10 video ideas. Instead of guessing, prompt AI like this. Give me 10 high-demand video ideas for a faceless YouTube channel in. Now you have direction. Now you have momentum. Step 3. Build a simple production system. This is where YouTube automation with AI really shines. Your workflow becomes 1. Idea, 2. AI script, 3. AI voiceover, 4. Visuals, plus SAO editing, 5. Upload. That's it. No complexity, just repetition. And repetition is what drives growth, because YouTube rewards consistency. Now let's talk about money, because that's why most people are here. Yes, you can make money from ads, but that's just one piece. Real creators build multiple income streams, affiliate marketing, or digital products, AI tools and software recommendations, simple online services. This is how you truly make money on YouTube, not with one stream, but with a system. And here's the advantage you have over younger creators. You understand value, you understand trust, you understand long-term thinking, which means you're perfectly positioned to build something sustainable, not viral spikes, but consistent income. Now, let's address a common fear. What if I sound robotic using AI? You won't if you use it correctly. If you copy and paste blindly, yes, it'll feel generic. But if you guide it, refine it, inject your experience into it, then something powerful happens. Your voice becomes clearer than ever. Think of AI as scaffolding. It supports the structure, but you are still the builder, and over time, you rely on it less, because your thinking becomes sharper. Let's zoom out for a moment, because this is bigger than just YouTube. Right now, we are in a shift where individuals can build income streams without offices, bosses, traditional systems. And YouTube automation sits right at the center of that shift, especially for people over 50, because this isn't about keeping up. It's about leveraging what you already know, in a smarter way. Let me say this clearly. Your age is not the disadvantage. Your lack of structure is. Fix the structure, and suddenly, your ideas flow faster, your videos get clearer, your confidence increases, your results improve, and this is where momentum begins. Because once the friction disappears, you stop hesitating, you start building, and YouTube starts recognizing patterns. Uploads, watch time, engagement, consistency. And when those patterns appear, growth follows. So here's the real opportunity in front of you. To build a faceless YouTube channel using AI. That generates income, without needing to be on camera, without needing advanced tech skills, and without burning yourself out. But only if you treat it like a system, not a one-off attempt. And in the next video, we're going deeper into exactly how to use AI step by step. Not hype, not theory, but real workflows you can follow. How to generate scripts that sound natural, create voiceovers that feel human, structure videos for retention, and build a channel that actually grows. Because this channel isn't about chasing trends, it's about building intelligently. So if you're serious about starting a faceless YouTube channel, learning YouTube automation for beginners, and building real income online over 50, make sure you subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you. What's the one thing stopping you from starting your channel? Drop it in the comments, because chances are, it's not what you think. And once we remove that obstacle, everything changes. At the end of this video is a link to our next video, worthwhile viewing.